Oh, balls. I clicked shift and tab and I got sniped in the head. God, yo, we suck, man. Does not look good. Dude, my dog is going at it. My dog does not want food at all. He is trying to cover it up. See?
You're screwing the bed.
There's only 2 left, Kyle. You got this, Kyle.
I think you covered enough.
There's a...
Why do you uncover it?
Right there. Oh, he's good. Go, just bomb the thing. Do it. Do it. It's right there. It's right there. Just defuse it. We won. We win. We win. Oh, right there. He's right there. Right there. Kyle, he's right there. He's behind you. He's behind you. Defuse it. Oh, wait. Just kidding. Just kidding. Let go and let us blow up. No, you weren't defusing it. Hobby is defusing it. No, you didn't. It would have said you were MVP because you did the thing. But you didn't. Why? Because you defused the bomb.
You're done now?
You know what?